This is a very important video if you're writing your exams in September 25 or Jan 26, guys. Many people ask why CA is hard, but we have cracked the code, guys. After 7+ years of teaching, 10,000+ hours of teaching in these 7 years, and addressing easily 2,500 of students who have actually come and watched my class by paying the fees, not the YouTube. You can see there are easily 30,000 students who have subscribed. I'm talking about students who have taken the class, guys. I've understood why CA is hard and many students struggle, and I want to tell you guys, one of the reasons is because most students either they read only the concepts and they go to the exam, or some of them run behind this exam oriented. Sir, I will do only exam oriented preparation and go for the exam. No, both will fail miserably. Sir, it's not about or, it's about and with this I'm launching for you guys the CEO schedule. Sir, what is this CEO schedule? Basically, you learn the concepts and also learn it the exam oriented way after you are good with the concepts, and then with the CEO schedule you will become CEO of CA Inter, both groups, subject by subject, guys. So let me explain how this works for all of you. Let me show you the CEO schedule, guys. Very simple. I mean, you are going to be blown away at the end of the video as to how we've come up with something that you at the comfort of your house can learn concepts and exam oriented. Look at this. I already told you this is applicable for all of you if you're writing attempt in September 25 or Jan 26. Whether you're writing one group or both the groups, it's totally fine. This works for all of you. What we have done, we have broken down each subject into 5 parts, guys. Each subject into 5 parts, into 5 separate parts. The first 4 parts, like you can see over here, part 1 to part 4 is the concept. You are conquering the C. The last part is the exam oriented, where you are preparing to get those marks, exam oriented style. So what happens for each subject? Let me explain for each subject, then I will show you the schedule. For each subject, we have broken down the syllabus first into 4 parts, like I have told, and each part exactly comprises 25% of the syllabus. So first you will finish one part. If you have taken test series, after you finish that part, you will write test in that part. Then part 2 test, part 3 test, part 4 and test. That means for each subject you will write 4 tests which will be evaluated and given to you. By the time you finish these 4 parts, the concept is done, guys. You are strong with the concept, also with 4 tests. That means, for example, if you are taking 3 subjects into 4, you will be writing 12 tests for one group. If you are taking 6 subjects into 4, 24 tests for entire CA Inter by the time you are done with your concepts. Sir, so many tests in school days you wrote, no man, so many tests, unit test 1, unit test 2, unit test 3, quarterly, half yearly. Why are you not writing in CA? We are just bringing back the school mechanism which worked, where all of you cleared. After this, what happens? Now the concepts are done. No, sir. Once these concepts are done, this leads to a one-time learning of the entire subject. Now we will go to the last folder, which I told which will be there in your class. That will be the wow folder. So once you finish the 4 parts, in wow folder you will again revise the entire subject and practice, and basically here you will revise once quickly, because you studied long back part 1, long back part 2, and you will revise and work out a lot of sums. Here you are going to be strong with exam oriented part, and at the end of this you are going to become the CEO of the CA Inter, guys. CEO of CA Inter, and this is how your schedule will look like. Your schedule will look like this. Sir, I am going to guarantee you this one thing. Guarantee, personal guarantee. Sir, I am watching only first part, I am watching only second part. Don't expect to pass. If any student watches all these 5 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and the wow part, you will definitely become the CEO of the group, guys. No doubt in that, because this subject or this course needs that kind of dedication and sacrifice. Rajinikanth did not come over one day. Rome was not built in one day. It was built in years. And now Rome is so beautiful, correct? The same way, guys. You can't study 100 hours, 150 hours, 200 hours per group to become expert in that group and go pass the exam. You need to invest time. Your 12th boards, you studied for bloody 1 year. And 11th also you would have studied that, correct? So almost 2 years you would have studied for 12th. Don't expect by just studying 250 marks or 250 hours and become a professional by clearing the group. You need to spend that time, and that's why this comes in, guys. That's why this comes in, where the concepts, like I said, the concepts is the 4 parts. I have given the duration for each of the subject, and then the exam oriented will be the wow part, which I have given over here, and total duration also is given. Total duration is given. Sir, I want to know more breakup of this. Yes, you have it. Look at this. I have the more detailed breakup over here. The first 4 parts, subject wise, we have given it over here. For example, if you take accounts, part 1 will comprise all these topics. Then part 2 will comprise all these topics. Part 3, part 4. Look at the duration part by part. Just 35 hours, just 44 hours, just 40, just 45. I mean, you can't finish this in 1 month, correct? The minute you move or the moment you finish each part, guys, you will go ahead and write the test in each of these parts, which you will get evaluation. That means by the time you finish the syllabus, 4 tests are done. So this is how the schedule looks for group 1. This is how the schedule looks for group 2. Once you finish these 4 parts, guys, we will be going into the wow folder, which I told you that is going to be over here. The wow schedule, where we have the wow concepts and the wow workout, total of wow folder over here. Sir, I don't have time, sir. It's so many hours. Don't worry. If you finish the 4 parts, and if concepts are fresh in your mind, you can skip the wow concepts. That means you don't have to watch 150 hours if you don't have time. And then straight away go for the workout. The vice versa also is possible. Sir, what is the vice versa? Sir, part 1 to part 4, for some chapters, I am not able to watch, sir. No time is there. Then you can skip the part 1 to part 4. Come for wow concepts and do the workout. At least this is done. Are you following us? That means for each topic, if you can finish part 1 to part 4 plus wow, yes, you are going to become the CEO. But for a few topics, if you are not able to watch this, at least watch wow. Or if you are not able to watch wow folder, at least watch part 1 to 4. Either one you finish, guys. See, in school also, nobody is expert in 100% of syllabus. Some topics they will learn here and there. That's why I am saying, okay, at least this one thing you watch instead of watching the whole thing if you are not able to get there. So this is what I am trying to say. So for those students who are done with all of these recordings, I can tell you your exam will be a cakewalk for you, like how in class 12 you are easily able to get through the exams. So sir, which class should I take in your website, sir? If you are writing September 25, you have to take the Fusion subscription which is there on the website. That will be valid till your exams. No 3+1 validity getting over day before exam. Ayo, I need validity. Till you finish September exams, I will give you validity, guys. No need to pay anything extra. Jan 26 I am writing, go for learn from home. Sir, both are the same, sir. Both are the same class. Only difference is the validity. Fusion, I need 4 months time left till September. So you get classes for 4 months. Learn from home, I need classes for 8 months, sir. 8 months is left for Jan exam. So double the validity, that's it. We will have online mentoring calls. Every month I will come on Zoom. In WhatsApp, we can discuss and charts will be solved in WhatsApp group. All that will be taken care for you. Now sir, where to get this? On the website if I want to take this class? Very simple. Just come to the website of the CA classroom. And then you scroll down, here you can see Fusion subscription, very affordable pricing, guys, just 7.5 per group, including your GST, etc., everything included. Or if you come down, learn from home is there for you, the pricing is available. Or sir, I don't want the group wise class, sir, I just want your individual subjects, or I want just the combo of accounts, law, audit, SM. That also you can take whichever class you purchase over here, subject wise or group wise learn from home or combo or fusion. You will get part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 plus, wow, all 5 together only you will get, because that's when that makes you CEO. But my recommendation is to take the fusion if you are in September, and Jan means learn from home, because that's when the entire package comes. I can be responsible for the entire group, and that's why I say all subjects in one place will make it much more amazing for you. That's about it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with all of you guys. So let me know for any doubts that you have. You can always reach out to me on WhatsApp, call me, or put it in the comments. We'll be here to help you out. I will keep sharing more detailed schedules on these attempts, but here I end with the CEO schedule. Thank you, guys.